It's enough to give any rail fan nightmares. Some people refer to it as getting bold, others refer to it as getting zoned out, and some just call it one heck of a bummer. Whatever you call it, when one train blocks your view of another train of greater significance or importance, it leaves a bit of a bitter taste in any rail enthusiast's mouth. I guess you're just going to have to trust me when I tell you that on the other side of this Metrolink is the Veterans Salute NPCU number 90208, leading a surfliner out of Oceanside. Oh well, at least 90208's horn sounds good. I guess this means I'll have to keep chasing 90208 until I can finally get a good shot of it leading. For now, I'm Train Track Trav. I'll see you trackside. Thanks for watching.